Hello traders, everybody. Welcome to today's webinar. My name is Yaroslav Burchenko. I'm the Chief Market Analyst at Olymp Trade, and today we are finishing up our Trader's Way Challenge. Congratulations to those of you who traded every day and worked really hard at climbing the ladder. We will have the results of the competition that you guys were all automatically a part of. All you had to do was use the promo code TW2021. I will send that to you guys in chat right now. You still have an opportunity to try out expert status for one day. All you have to do is top up for any amount. It can be as low as $1. It can be as low as $10. TW2021, and get in and try out the expert status. Now, for those of you that have been climbing this long and difficult path, or I guess in our case, a very short path, in the course of the week, our traders had an opportunity to try out starter, advanced, and expert status. And so, how was the week for you guys? How has the challenge been so far? If you guys have any questions with the statuses or with any of the indicators that are available to trade throughout the whole Trader's Way, ask them in chat. Before we get started, I want to thank my lovely support in chat. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you guys for coming. This is Saturday. Only the best of the best are probably trading right now. Those of you guys that really want to take your trading to the next level. And the assets that are available to us to trade are the cryptocurrency market and also the OTC market on the fixed time trade platform. This promo code, when will expire date? The expiry date, I believe, is either today in the evening or tomorrow evening. But the end of the competition, the end of the status, will be by the end of today. So make sure that you guys are active and you make the most of this time. Like I said, if you hadn't had the opportunity to check out the strategies that are available, make sure you do that today. If you have been putting off doing some sort of research, then do it today, because I said previously that the status won't last past the weekend. So you guys now have an opportunity, for those of you that are really serious about trading, you can use these 2 days to try to reach that level of 99,000 experience points in order to keep your expert status for 30 days. So this is kind of a life hack that you guys have an opportunity to do in order to reach expert status and keep it for an extra 30 days. You guys need to reach 99,000 experience points. This is possible, again, if you're trading lots, if you're trading in the hundreds of thousands or maybe tens of thousands, but you have a keen eye on making good trades with a high multiplier. It can be done. It can be reached. I personally have not done so, so the only advice that I have, again, would be to maximize the multiplier and to make really large trades. So the OTC market and cryptocurrency market is open, and we are going to be trading that today, looking for good entry points together. Now, I do have a prize game for you guys at the end. There's a Jeopardy game with 9 questions about everything from Trader's Way to Bitcoin to Olymp Trade in general. You guys have an opportunity to win some risk-free trades, some free money during today's webinar. So you guys really want to hang around and stay till the end. And without further ado, let's get started. We have more people signing on, and so I think it's a good time to start the webinar. So note that even if you don't have advanced status or expert status and you're just using the platform, all the tools you need to make money are already there. So with the standard features of the platform, you have 4 chart types, right? Heiken Ashi candles included, and 34 different indicators. You know, that's available to any status. But you guys that have topped up using TW 2021, you now have expert status, which is a premium and is only available after you make a deposit of $2,000 or more. Now, with this status, a trader unlocks a large amount of bonuses and tools really to make trading a full-time job. Like you have lower commissions and you have higher platform functionality, quick withdraw and deposit times. Like within 3 hours, you can totally withdraw your the withdrawal that you want to put through. So you have the best trading conditions, maximum yields. You also have weekly consultations. So you can reach out to an analyst and have some feedback from somebody who is working with the markets every day. You also get a personal analyst. You guys can catch those here in the help section. And personal analyst, temporarily unavailable. This should come back online again. Contact support, any kind of technical issue you're having with the platform. I see some of you guys making comments on YouTube, you know, what are you thinking? Like there's obviously a department, set people that work with this. People that work with the YouTube channel don't have even access to the technical features in the platform, like in the back. So make sure that you guys are using the correct area. Click help and then ask support right here, guys. Open chat or send an email to support-en@Olymp Trade. That's the best way to get an official and practical reply to any issue you may have with the platform. Guys, our support is active. They're here to help you guys. Make sure you contact them if you have any technical issues. So we have minimum commissions. Now that we are trading with the expert status, we have minimal commissions on Forex and much more. We'll talk about all the little cool bells and whistles you guys have as the webinar continues. So what is the trader's way? For those of you guys that are totally new, we may have some totally new users, and let me go ahead and see in chat. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask them in chat. I'll try to be as proactive today in answering your chat, as this is going to be the last webinar in relation to the trader's way. The trader's way is a system of rewards. For every trade you make, the Olymp trade gives back to its traders. So you guys make experience points that get you basically better and better trading terms. So the more you trade, the better you get, the more rewards the platform provides you. And there's certain sub-levels. Right here's a bad example of my expert status, because I only get additional bonuses to the deposit and risk-free trades. And right here you can get extended premium or extended expert status for 30 days only on level 5. So as I continue to make experience points and trades, I gain more experience. But there's also daily trades that I can take and that I can do in order to get outsized gains. So again, if you're trading just if you want to speed up the process of gaining experience points, this would be the way to go. Do your daily tasks. So basically, if you say have $3,000 sitting on your account and comes the end of the month and you want to make expert status in the upcoming month, all you have to do is trade. You can, without adding any additional money to your deposit, you can make yourself expert status. So make sure that if you're serious about it, that you spend that time to research the daily tasks, how you can most effectively do them, and do them. Because the better your status is, the better trading conditions you have. So that's an important key. Let's see what you guys are saying in chat. Cyril Ifiabach, you can introduce Bill Williams fractals in beginner status. That's actually a good idea. I've enjoyed using fractals. Now here on my graph I have the pivot points, which came with the advanced level status. Right now I just see that Bitcoin will outline that the graph of Bitcoin works very well with pivot points, because what else do Bitcoin traders have to work with, right? They're working with supply and demand factors, some sort of law or like judiciary limitations from the European Union, from China, from the US, every government is struggling to kind of contain Bitcoin. So that's one of the things that really impacts the currency market, and basically supply and demand. Also, the stability of the financial system is probably the most volatile adding economic event. You can't really quantify it as an economic event, but when there is instability, like the first surge of Bitcoin after its creation in 2009, so Bitcoin was created in 2009, the first real boost to its value came during the Cyprus financial crisis, when in Cyprus in 2010 to 2013, there was a banking crisis. Basically, banks had to shut down because the Greek government was undergoing some heavy financial burden, some debt issues, and they got it restructured like 3 times, I believe, in the course of 3 years. It was a major tipping point. And what happened? The ECB basically said, we don't care. Cyprus, close your banks if you have to contain liquidity, because people started rushing to the banks, taking their money out, and banks were going bankrupt, or were going to go bankrupt if they didn't lock people's accounts. And basically they imposed a limit of $100 a day or €100 a day that you could take out. And that was brutal. And so people lost I guess, that kind of faith in the financial system. And then Bitcoin first rose, and I wonder if I have a graph going back to that long. Yeah, I know, 2017. And then the next really big spike was the end of 2017, when Bitcoin futures started trading on the American Stock Exchange. And that was really when Bitcoin came alive and shot up to 20,000. Hey, and right now, actually, the price action is incredible. So we had this slump after the new year, and this is when I thought, oh, okay, that was the end. We're going to have another sideways year for Bitcoin, just like we had after 2017. It was a sideways year, and then a year or two of really poor performance. So this is what I was kind of expecting, and it looked just like that, except this year we had a break of that level. And why is this? Well, because gold usually used to be so the US dollar is falling. All of you guys have seen this probably before. I'll show you another graph. The US dollar is falling. Like this is huge, and it's continuing to fall. You can see the trading during yesterday's, or excuse me, this is today's trading. It's one of the weakest currencies on the Forex market. In turn, there was an asset, or is an asset, that is traded to save yourself from the devaluation of the dollar, to save yourself from inflation, and that would be gold. But now gold is losing its position as a inflationary safety measure, and Bitcoin is growing. So mark yourself where gold started falling. So right around here, right around July, gold started falling, and the interest in Bitcoin grew exponentially. So you guys see how that relation, gold lost its safe haven status in terms of inflationary pressures, and Bitcoin took that over. So now, as the US dollar is getting weaker in the digital economy that we're all a part of, we're not expecting, or I'm not expecting, gold to recover significantly. And I was busting my head because I thought, economically, textbook, it would say that buy gold, and that's what I was doing for most of last year, and a lot of money was made, and then I started losing when gold just took that huge slump down. I should have changed my attention to Bitcoin, but now my attention is fully focused because this breakout and continuation is a really big deal. And today's trading, look at this, today is Saturday, you guys. Look at the way that Bitcoin is trading. So today, really, we're going to be trying to maneuver the 10-minute graph, and this is a pivot point that we have reached, a maximum pivot point. From here, if I was watching, I would have sold to the middle of the Bollinger Bands, as that is the next key level with the wave structure that markets use to move. But let's look for these entries. You guys, while I'm teaching all of you this, make sure to look at all of the crypto assets and OTC assets. I think there's a total of 8. Make sure you guys have a look through them on the 5 to 10 minute graph. Let me know if you see a good trading signal. Let's do this together today. I have this last few trading days to make the most out of this little account that I opened. So let's go ahead and do this together. I'm going to go ahead and spend a few minutes in chat with you guys. Please add some Indian currency and stock. Oh, Mayur, you can't believe how much of a problem this is. I've been speaking to management, to the technical people in the company, and we're trying to get the Indian rupee as a currency that we, as a deposit currency, but there's so many things that we have to do in order to get that license. So really, this is something you should send to support. I've actually passed this on, and totally agree with you. Last night I drew $30 in less than 1 hour. That's so amazing. Yeah, Nail, congratulations. That's take it slow, buddy, but congratulations. And one of the things that I would suggest, anytime you make 100% on your deposit, take out one of those deposits so that you have another deposit to work with if something goes against you, if something goes wrong. Hello, it has been a long time I came here. Bros G, welcome. Welcome to the Olymp trade community. How to win 30-minute trades with confirmation. Sahil, you mean confirmation like if we make a retest, like a breakout and retest to confirm? Is that the kind of confirmation you're talking about? If you elaborate, I will provide a more detailed answer. Hey, so yeah, answered your question, Mayur. Miku Singh, long-term investment stock, please tell us. Absolutely. Good stock options to trade. You have to use the Forex platform for long-term because we're going to be keeping those positions open for a little bit. And having a look at the US market, I would definitely outline some names that are in the green for the long term. So 3M is now a government, I wouldn't say subsidized, but the government makes direct orders to 3M to create such and such. And the government has a lot of spending money this year and next year. So a lot of this loose money is going to be going to US companies that help US citizens. And so 3M is going to be one of those really strategically important companies for the government, for the population. So 3M would be definitely one of those that I would add. AMD is actually the leader in chipsets. It used to be Intel. Now AMD is leading in GPUs and graphical processing units and CPUs, the brains of your computer, central processing unit. And so this company has been leading. They've been making smaller and faster chips. Again, I wouldn't comment on the reliability of AMD. I personally have had bad experiences using AMD products, but they are competitive in the terms of new cell phone generation with the super small, super fast computer chips are going to be powered by AMD. Intel lost a few contracts that were quite strategic, and so AMD is a leader, and guys, right now, coming off of this low, when do you want to buy stocks? Like this is meh, this is kind of good because the only trajectory we have now is up. Buying from anywhere right here would be bad. As you guys can see, anywhere in the top area of the Bollinger Band is bad. So buying off the bottom Bollinger Band is always good. So you want to be buying off the bottom of the Bollinger Band, not the top. And so that's where we have AMD. It's also there. Alibaba has been one of my favorite stocks to trade last year, again, and this has been to confirm it. But this year and the new China-US trade relations and the new kind of economy that's going to happen in the world where Western countries like the UK, the US, the EU are going to be self-sustaining or less of a consumption and more of an export-based, at least leaning towards that spectrum, then it doesn't bode well for companies like Alibaba. But again, I'm watching what the stock price is doing, and this does inspire a little bit of confidence. Again, we're trading above everything. Man, if I go through each and every stock, this is going to be probably another webinar, you guys. We can't continue like this because I still have to talk a little bit about the Trader's Way and make some Bitcoin trades. So how about this? If you guys have a desire to learn more about stocks, write which topic in the comments section. So in about 20 minutes when I finish the webinar, you guys wait a little bit longer and then leave some comments in the comment section, and then I will write those down and make webinars about those in the coming month. All right, let's do it like that. There's a lot of things to discuss here with the U.S. stock market. I wish I could do it with you guys right now, but we're going to focus on the expert status. So this is all of the things that you get. This is like one by one, all of the expert bonuses that you have, just so you know and you can use them to your advantage. So number one is the fixed time trade platform now gives you a rate of return of up to 92. So this is incredible. It's a huge jump from 80 to 92. This is exactly why you guys want to be trading during expert status, is because you guys have better returns. You also get risk-free trades. So your risk-free trades are located in your profile, and actually you can put them on by using so you actually make, here, this would be a better way of showing you guys, you actually get a few risk-free trades. So the risk-free trades will be a total of 5% of the deposit that you make. This is what I wanted to show you guys. So the first deposit that you make that takes you above expert status, or if you have expert status, this is also important. You guys have expert status right now. If you deposit while you have this expert status, again, it won't disqualify you from the competition, but you will make 5% of the deposit with risk-free trades on top of the additional 30% that you get with the promo code. Also, you can make reduced 20% commissions on all Forex products. So fantastic, again, increase for your platform. Your funds withdrawals are rapid. Like I said, within a few hours, you can get your funds in your account or out of your account when you need the money. The maximum trade amount has been increased to 5,000 for both platforms. So keep in mind that you can open now large trades, and I'll try to teach you guys a way to put your stop loss really long but have a really short take profit with a high multiplier. We're going to be putting on some of those trades on Bitcoin today so that you guys can see how to manipulate this kind of large trade size per trade mechanic. So the maximum number of open trades is 30 and 100. The maximum open for standard accounts are 10 and 100. So keep that in mind. Trailing stop you get on the advanced status. That's when your first trailing stop kicks in. Trade signals you get basic and private. This is also very important, guys. Have a look at the trade signals. You now get personalized trading signals. You guys can read about the trading signals right here. And if you click more, a separate window icon will open. There's 15 unique Forex strategies, or excuse me, FTT strategies, and 12 unique Forex strategies. And this is what I was wanting to show you guys. See how the personal analyst, you actually get 4 personal consultations a month. So again, if you can, order your consultation while you have expert status. Indicators, there's 14 indicators that are in total available to you. Special materials section, it is right here. You guys can find it right here. This is an amazing special materials and insights, provides you a lot of the fundamental data you need in order to trade. So you don't even have to go to another say website or another tab. You can find all of the information on the special materials button and insights button in help. All right, and last but not least, you are entitled to receive special materials, to receive exclusive trading ideas, specialized webinars, and you have a 3 sound package. So what that means is here, if you go to your settings and you go to sound, here are the different sound packages that you have, and what that means is every time you open a trade or a trade reaches your take profit or a alarm goes off of any sort, you will have very pleasant and new sounds. So you guys make sure to put that on while you are using the expert status, just so you can have a unique feeling to your platform. Another cool thing is here in the market there are some themes. You want to go ahead and pick these up while you still can. So Purple Haze is for free. Go ahead and put that on. And then if you click details, you can see that it has been added to my color theme. I have Purple Haze and Inspire from the Inspire Challenge. So it just changes the look and again the feel of my platform. I really enjoy Purple Haze, and that's what I use as the color scheme. So there you go, you guys. We answered actually a lot of questions today. And let me see what we have trading on the Bitcoin market. And I want to go ahead and change over to that and show you guys the trading strategy I was talking about. So I should have opened a trade when I told you guys about it. It's very unfortunate that I didn't buy from the level here. It's very possible price will continue up higher. I want to open, say, a 5-minute trade for the amount of, and I want to see what kind of daily tasks I have. No less than $20, 5 minutes, $20. Okay. $20, 5 minutes, going up. Perfect. Cha-ching! You guys heard that? Sounded like actually like a weapon cock. Oh, I want to show you guys real quick. Send a link to you guys about the statuses where I everything here. So go ahead and copy this for you. Check that out. You get for you guys on your own time. So we talked about that. I'm a starting trader. Please suggest some techniques to win. Hey, you actually came to the right channel. Actually, my chat just got lost a little bit. Here we go. So Sahil, you actually came to the right place. If you click down at the bottom, subscribe, that button allows you then to see all of our new videos that we have going forward in the new year. And actually you can check out our library as well. That's basically the whole purpose of the channel, is to help you get better, to teach you new trading techniques, to teach you different indicators, to teach you different market approaches. That's actually what we do. So come visit a few of our live webinars, check out our video library. It's huge. That's where you'll find more information. Nigeria has banned Bitcoin. How will this affect Bitcoin? Because Nigeria is not such a big market player. Like if China banned Bitcoin, then you can believe it would drop 60% in the matter of a few days. That's not likely to happen, as I'm sure the Chinese government is also working with Bitcoin in its own way, as it is a crypto kind of cryptography type of platform, right? The blockchain is a platform that allows not only the exchange of value, but also allows the exchange of information. And so as a system of tracking, say, birth certificates or birth rates, you know, it has that ability to be used. And I'm sure that there's experimentation going on in Bitcoin, in China on Bitcoin. Do you recommend trading the OTCs during the weekends? Absolutely. That's the purpose of OTCs, is because we need to trade during the weekends as well. The currency market is closed, but the OTC market, the trades that go on between the banks directly or between market makers directly, that's where that allows us to trade currencies even throughout the weekend. So absolutely, OTC is a viable trading product during the weekend. Today I lost $118 in the Gap OTC in the very last second. Oh, I hate it, right? When at the very last second, it's nerve-wracking. Like for me, FTT is very nerve-wracking, because if you come back to the trade before it closes, then you really have that struggle, especially when it's right below or above the line. I'm sorry that happened to Noop. Yeah, it's very, yeah, I see what you're saying. Cyril Afiabah, I don't believe in OTC. I don't think they are regulated. I've checked them on different platforms. Their chart isn't the same. Mr. Arabsloss, can you explain why is it like that? To be honest with you, the provider, the data provider that gives you the financial money, is a player in the market, right? It's because the entire Forex market is not regulated. Like, that's interesting that you say that they aren't regulated. Well, the Forex market isn't regulated. It's a trading system. It's not a stock market. It's not a trading market. It's a trading system, an electronic trading system that that aggregates several multinational banks. Like, several banks create this. This is their chart in their own internal trading. And that's what the OTC market is. It's one of our market suppliers that supply the data and supply the liquidity, and that's where the questions arises. Who are these partners? Well, they're different international banks. Where they are located, I don't know. But during the weekend, banks still function. Banks still conduct trades, and money and percentages still get added, right? The whole entire system doesn't stop on the weekend. And so we have found those market players that are willing to provide us liquidity over the weekend. That's what the OTC market is, and that's why they're different, because different banks in different countries have different rates. But as you can see, it's all one graph, right? It comes from one source of trading. So if you still follow news patterns or technical patterns, well, they still work in any kind of market environment. Okay, what do you think Bitcoin will go up or down? Right now, I think Bitcoin's going to go up, guys. Right now, I'm really looking at Bitcoin for a buy, and I made a buy, and hopefully it holds for 5 minutes. Absolutely, this was a buy. You guys see the perfect touch of the 20 EMA? Right when we were on this candle, I said this would be a good buy. This is the difficulty of trading and conducting a webinar, right? You know what to do, but you're sometimes thinking of, all right, I'm going to talk about next. What am I going to, right? So you're like, okay, I missed the trade. Yeah, Anoop, I can hear the pain in your messages, my friend. I'm sorry that happens, and there's nothing I can do or we can do about it. Hello, nice here, Cyril from Nigerian government is clueless. Why want to add money in different UPIs every time? Maninder, don't understand your question. Ibrahim Tall is asking how OTC is managed by trading platforms. Sir, again, I don't have all of the nitty-gritty details. Oh, our trade went through. Congratulations to me and you guys. Great. Closed one trade, and then have a look. It automatically made 2 trades for us here. Actually, let's go ahead and open a 5-minute chart and look for another entry point. So actually, I'm going to put on another $20 trade for the same amount. I just have the trade signal here, and then in confirmation, the moving averages are getting closer to crossing, and also we're getting shorter, closer to the 0 line to transition over. We are on top of the line, and the move hasn't been severely down. So what I'm thinking is starting is, again, if we imagine this is a level right here. You guys see how all the candles that when we break out of it, they go up higher? That's kind of the thinking here as well. We're already above the level, trading above the, the pivot point for the day, right? For the day. So every time we get above for the day, it's always risky. It's not likely that we're going to, get too much higher. But again, it's really early. It's only mid trading day for, the cryptocurrency market, which trades again around the clock. Hey guys, really quick, this is something that's super important. Here in the help section, here in the assets section, this is where you can find all of the data, like on stocks. Here you can click stocks, click on Amazon, and see what, and here trading conditions, again, very important. And you can see what the maximum multiplier is for trading this stock, this asset. You can also check its schedule, like when it's open. So non-trading day, you can check when it will open on Monday. And it'll show you the trading session is between 5:35 and 11:55. And you can do this for all the assets that are available and use this search category to quickly find something. 1 minute strategy. Are you participating in Silver Bull? I'm not participating in it. Like I said, the gold market for me is very pessimistic right now. But let's go ahead and have a look at it. Yeah, I don't know about the bull market in silver. Again, this is Friday's trading. Keep in mind, this is a 5-minute graph, so at the end of the day, people are closing off their positions. it got past the first line of a pivot in the day. So yeah, no, I'm not really participating in the silver market right now. Oh, for sure. Be careful when you're risking anything. Absolutely. Anoop Mishra is correct. John Clement, the rich Nigeria, doesn't have access to Bitcoin. They don't want growth for the youth. Which is the best indicator to work on? Good question. So Surendra, best indicator. I recommend the CCI if I have to recommend one. It's super simple. When price breaks out to the top, you buy. When price breaks out to the bottom, you sell. When it comes back in, you close the position. When it comes back in, you close the position. Pretty simple. You can try to hold them open for longer or close them sooner, but for an entry point indicator, the CCI is amazing. Okay, guys, let's do the game. So how about this? We made a few trades. Let's have the game. Okay, so I'm gonna put you all on. This is super important, guys. All of your questions now have to be left in the comment section. So if I missed your question today, I'm sorry. Leave it in the comment section below. I personally will reply. So please don't get mad at me if I missed one of your questions today. This is a game called Jeopardy. You guys see this on your screen. We have Trader's Way, Olymp Trade, and Bitcoin. These are all categories. I will randomly pick one of you from chat to start the game. Basically, all of you guys have your score. If the first person to answer any one of these questions correctly is going to be the person that wins that amount of points. I'm going to start writing your names down here for the person that answers correctly first, like I said, and I have somebody in chat that is my support, but my name, or excuse me, my word, I guess, is final. So in chat, if you guys think that you may have won and I made a mistake, please remember that my chat is different from your chat, and that may kind of skew the results. But again, I am the referee. I have one more referee with me in chat, and we will be moderating that for you. So first person, please, who is the guy that lost money? Where is he? Hey, if you are in chat, where is he? Dang it, I lost him. Was it? So yeah, today evening, guys, is going to be the cutoff point for the deposit. Anoop. Okay, perfect. Anoop. Anoop, go ahead and make the first. So pick a name, pick a title, and then pick a category. The higher the number, the harder the question is going to be. Everybody has a chance to answer. First person in chat who answers correctly. Anoop, if you're in chat with me right now, my friend, please go ahead and ask say like Trader's Way 200. Write that in chat. So Anoop, I'll give you a little bit, a few more minutes, and if you don't answer in chat, I'm going to pick another person to go first. Just waiting in chat. The questions are about everything that we talked about today. Oh, my trade didn't go through, dang it. But we got 200 EXP. Guys, have a look at this. We opened 2 trades, and we're already this much of the way in order to get a 30% deposit. So it looks like Anoop got real sad and left the building. Oh man, I should probably put on Jeopardy game. Okay, a few more seconds for Anoop. Unfortunately, this gentleman signed out. Okay, we are starting with Bitcoin 100. So get ready, you guys. As I click on the question, the first person to correctly answer in chat will be the winner. They will get 100 points. I will add their name to our winners list, and the top 3 will be the prize winners. All right, let's get ready. Everybody answer as quickly as you can. The question is, what is the second most popular cryptocurrency right now? So if Bitcoin is the most popular, they have direct competition from another cryptocurrency that has very many uses in the real economy, and they are actively developing their own blockchain. The answer is... All right, you guys, while you're answering this, I do want to remind you that that's right. You guys write it out all the way. Dinesh, you're absolutely correct. I'll take that because ETH is the symbol, is the ticker for Ethereum, but it is Ethereum. Also, Martin Ari is correct, but Dinesh D is our winner. So Dinesh D, now your score is 100, my friend. All right, next question. Dinesh, if you can please ask the next topic. So, Bitcoin is now gone. Dinesh D, please go ahead and ask the next category. Yeah, you missed it, buddy. Sorry, Anoop. I was waiting for you to call out a category. So now waiting on Dinesh D. If in, say, about 20 seconds, Dinesh does not answer, we're going to ask Anoop to, oh, perfect, Traders Way 200. Traders Way 200, my man. All right, guys, get ready for the next question. All of you guys refresh your browsers, put it on live. Get ready for the next question. The question is... What is the maximum number of positions you can open with starter status on FTT and Forex status? So what is the maximum number of positions you open with starter status on FTT? Remember I showed you guys with advanced we have a different amount, but with starter status there is a set amount of FTT orders and a set amount of Forex orders, a maximum amount you can have. So this is a bit of a difficult one because we're going back to starter status, but I did outline it for you guys today. There's two numbers, guys. FTT is one number, so you guys are correct. Genarius is correct with the first number, but I'm looking for the first person to answer FTT and Forex. There we go. Toshan Sood, my man. 10 FTT and 100 Forex. Good job. So Tanash made... Where is he? Toshan Sood is our winner. He has 200 now. Good job, Toshan Sood. Hey, Toshan, real quick, start asking the next question. So, Traders Way 200 is now gone. Toshan Sood is in first place. Toshan Sood, good job, buddy. So, waiting on you for the next category, please. So, just to show you guys on the... So you have 10 trades and 100 trades on the starter status, but with expert now, your maximum amount is 30 and 100. So waiting on Toshan Su to ask for the next category. Olymp Trade 300, good job, man. Olymp Trade 300, taking one out of every category. All right, you guys, get your fingers ready. How many advisors are available in total for a trader who has expert status on the platform? How many advisors in total are there on your platform? All you guys have to do is click the advisors tab and quickly look and quickly type the answer right now in chat. So we're looking for advisors that are available in total on the expert status. 3, Denny Rustayana is absolutely correct. 3 advisors, you have the moving average, you have the Predator Look, and the MACD Pro. So Denny Rustayana 300. Let's go ahead and ask you for the next question category. So Denny Rustayana, good job, my man. Madhuyadov came in super close with 3 at the end. So Denny Rustayama, go ahead and please pick the next category. Danny Artworker came in. Traders Way 300, good job. not afraid of the difficult questions. And the question is, how much experience do you need to activate expert status for free? How much experience do you need to activate expert status for free? Remember, I shouted this out a few times in chat, or not in chat, but I mentioned this a few times, that you don't need to make a deposit, you just need to earn the experience. So waiting for you guys on the final, or not the final, but one of the more explosive and one of the more no, you guys are there we go. Toshan Sood, my man. Toshan Sood. Good job, buddy. Toshan, I think you are very close to being the leader. Toshan Sood with an extra 300, putting him at 500 points, making him the leader. Woo! Toshan Sood, good job, buddy. Can you ask the next category, please? Wow, there is a bearish trend forming on our question diagram. We're waiting for Toshan Sood to ask the next category. Good job, buddy. Yep. Very exciting when you answer correctly. Check once more. Traders Way 100. Traders Way 100. The question is, on which status do you unlock trailing stop? On which status do you unlock trailing stop? On which status do you unlock trailing stop? Sorry guys, I've been looking at the previous answer. So yeah, experts advanced status is the right way. Is the right answer. Expert starter, advanced. Ooh, is that Toshan? Did Toshan get it? Yep, Toshan. So you got it, buddy. Good job, Toshan. Oh, Madhuidov came in super close. So another 100, putting you in at 600. Toshan, good job. Can you ask the next category, please? Yeah, so I do apologize, guys, for the previous question. Absolutely, you are correct, Madhuidov, but the answer was not correct anyway because it's 160,000. So Olymp trade 100. So expert status, guys, in the question that was asked, how much do you need to renew expert status? You need 160,000 XP to renew. It's not 99. 99 is just to get it. So do apologize about that. Right here we wrote the comment expert from 160,000. That is the correct answer. So Tushatsud is asking Olymp trade 100. Let's do it. Olymp trade 100. The question is, which asset classes are available to trade on the Olymp trade platform? There are a total of 7 of them, guys. A total of 7. you can only, in order to get the correct answer, you can outline only, say, 6 of them. How about that? How about 6 is fine? I'm just checking your answers. Rekha Shah and Krishna Alex putting in the right answers to 3 questions ago in chat. All right. Yeah, Rekha Shah, that's not how it works. So asset classes are like currencies, stocks, stuff like that. Those are asset classes. So which asset classes are available to trade on the Olymp Trade platform? There's seven of them in total, including OTC. If you guys write 6 of them, it'll be correct. So again, I need 6 guys, not 2, not 1, 6. Write 6 asset classes. Cryptocurrencies, stock, OTC, ETF, indices. Amir Mullah. I'm just going to say Mullah, right? You are absolutely correct. Congratulations. You are now also in the race with 100 new points. So all of the assets are stocks, commodities, currencies, indexes, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and OTC. So thank you guys for writing that. Our correct answer is Amir. If you want to go ahead and write the next category out of the 3 available, and we will start tallying up some winners. Yee! Love it. Cryptocurrency, stock, indices, etc. OTC. Rekha Shah's like cryptocurrencies, stocks, currencies, etc. La da 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 da. Almost got it. So waiting for Amir to ask the next category. Amir, go ahead and type in the title and the amount in the next category. Bitcoin 300. Ooh, not afraid. All right, question is, which inflation safety asset is being replaced by Bitcoin in the digital economy? Remember, I showed you guys, dollar loses value, what goes up in price? But now it's losing that safety asset and being replaced by Bitcoin. A lot of you guys have said this in chat. Actually, Anoop said that, but you need to write it again right now as I've just asked the question. Oh, he's still writing random stuff. Anoop, pay attention. You almost got it, buddy. I think it's going to go Toshan Sood. I think we have a replacement to another girl that constantly answers. So Toshan, you are undeniably in first place right now. Denny Rusayana is in second place, and there's a tie between Amir and Dinesh D. So those of you guys that are tied, make sure that you are really looking for a win right now. This is going to answer the tie break for you guys, or if somebody else comes out in third place by answering one of these, it'll put them above you, because Dinesh and Amir, you both have 100 points. All right, so the next category, come on, Toshan Sood, don't make us wait, buddy. Olymp Trade or Bitcoin? And what the price is, or else I won't understand what you're asking. Or yeah, I will actually say either Olymp Trade or Bitcoin, and I'll know. Toshan Sood. Hey Angie, who's that girl that can always answers correctly? Why isn't she here today? Olymp Trade 200, Toshan Sood. And the question is, what is the maximum multiplier available when trading stocks? So this is obviously in the Forex platform. It's a little bit of a tricky question. What is the maximum multiplier available when trading stocks? Remember, I taught you guys how you can check the multiplier even when the market is closed. I know the stock market is closed today. That's why I asked the question. So go ahead. Remember, I showed you guys that you can check what the multiplier is and when the asset opens and closes. Nope, Dinesh incorrect. Miku Singh, Miku, good job, girl. Miku Singh with the correct answer, 20x. She even wrote the X, you guys. I like that in winner. Li Yan, yeah, that's right, Angie. That's right. So Miku Singh with the whopping 200 coming out into third place. Dinesh, you answered, but you answered incorrectly, bro. That was a good one, but you answered incorrectly. So your fingers are still working, right? You still got it. All right, next question, last one. Let's go ahead. I will pick it myself, if you don't mind. Bitcoin for 200. Put that in here, you guys. Let's click the answer. So the question is, when was Bitcoin created? When was Bitcoin created? This, I guess, is, okay, Google, when was Bitcoin created? Really quick type of thing. Answer giver. When was Bitcoin created? So after it was created, for a long time, it didn't use any popularity. Like until 2012, when we had the Cyprus crisis, only then started people looking at other alternative ways to the financial system. So we have Yagnik Patel. Yagnik Patel with a whopping 200. So here we have, oh, there's a tie between Miku and Yagnik Patel. All right. This is what we're going to do, because I only have 3 risk-free trades I can give out, guys. So check it out. I have in my hand, I don't know if you guys can see this, I have in my hand a coin that says buy or sell. You guys see that? Now, I don't make any market decisions based on this coin. Don't you dare think of negative stuff about me. But it is going to be, oh crud. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna raffle it off. Yagnik Patel or Miku, write buy or sell in chat right now. The first one that answers. So Miku and Yagnik, write buy or sell, and I'm gonna flip the coin. And we're gonna do it on Bitcoin. We're gonna put the trade on Bitcoin. But whoever calls the right one. No, I don't need you guys. So Miku or Yagnik, first person to answer in chat. Toshan Sood, please write your account in chat right now. And Denny Rustayana, please write your account in chat right now. Denny, pay attention. Stop writing sell. Tell me what your account is. And Toshan Sood, you two, you guys are correct. So I'm waiting for Yagnik. Bye, Yagnik Patel, my man. I'm sorry, dude. I missed your thing. All right, here we go. Boom! Boom! You got it, buddy. Congratulations. Let's buy Bitcoin. Let's buy Bitcoin right now. Hold on. Yeah. Let's buy Bitcoin. Oh no, I bought it on Forex. Oh no, that was 20 bucks. Okay, fixed time trades. Hold on a sec. Bitcoin for a minute. 20 bucks for a minute. Let's do it. Yagnik Patel, you got the buy. You are in third place. Go ahead and write your account number. And please, I hope these 2 trades for Bitcoin go in our favor. Let's do it. All right. It's all fun and game, you guys. Obviously, I'm just joking around. Hold. I want to hold the position. Good job, you guys. So thank you guys for participating in the game. Congratulations to our winners. So Denny, I got your account number. Waiting for the account number of Toshan Sood and Yagnik Patel. Hold. Yeah, exactly. Guys, if again I started before the webinar or before the game started, I said if you guys think you may have won, again we have 2 judges here, myself and Angie in chat. The winners are Toshan Sood, Denny Rustayana. Oh, what does that mean? Is that positive? Dang it. Okay. No worries. No worries. We do have our winners. Danny Rustiana, Toshan Sood. I am missing, Toshan, your account number. You can find it right up here in the upper right hand corner and clicking on the profile right here, your trader's ID. Birthday. What now? I'm here. I'm just reading through your guys' chat. Yagni Patel got you. Toshan Sood got you. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for your time. You guys are absolutely incredible. Thank you for your participation in today's game. I want to congratulate you for getting through this week. It's been a difficult week of trading. It's been a lot of learning experiences, and it's been a wild ride in terms of going from starter to advanced within 1 week. Woo! But it will continue, and come next week, guys, we have another competition for you. It's going to be for everybody on the platform. You can find all the details as it opens up. There will be kind of a little explanation for you. But on Monday, we are going to start another wave of competitions. Now, for those of you that participated in the Trader's Way Challenge, you guys hang tight until Monday, where we will supply you guys with the leaderboard for the winners, and send you guys your prizes. Also, same thing for your risk-free trades to our winners today. You guys will probably get that sometime over the weekend or on Monday. Yeah, you guys make sure that you hit the like button so that we can continue doing these raffles, that we can continue doing these games. If you learned something new, please share this video with other like-minded people or on your social media channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, because that will put you in the driver's seat when you need to learn something new about trading. You will know where to go and where to get it. All right, thank you guys so much. My name is Yaroslav Burchenko. Together with Olymp Trade, we wish you guys good luck trading out there, and see you all next time. Peace.